So yeah, I'm gonna get changed into this real quick and probably die in the process because of how gagged I am. This is so cool. Hi guys. Sorry if you haven't noticed the incredible bump up in quality. It's because I have purchased a new camera. I've literally been needing a new camera for like 7 years now, so I'm extremely happy I finally purchased one. But you guys, oh my god, today is the day. And if this haul doesn't go to plan, I'm gonna be very disappointed. So here, I have a little box. So the brand Mew Mews reached out to me and they were like, hey, do you want 3 of our dresses? And I looked at their website and I was like, yes. Say less, because after looking at their website, oh my god, you guys, I fell in love with these dresses. I was like, surely this isn't real. I can confirm it's real. I just haven't really heard of the brand, I guess. This is a really exciting thing for me. 1, finding new brands, and 2, getting to try on some really glamorous dresses. Like, you guys, the dresses in here, I made sure that the dresses that I chose aren't dresses that I would usually wear like day to day. These are like prom quality dresses, okay? So the first box is a little bit more damaged than the second one. Obviously it's got some chunks missing out of it. Let's just ignore that. And here's the second box. Obviously it's got their logo there. It looks very fancy. Obviously not this little bit, but that's okay. Can I just point out how cute that little message is? It says, hello gorgeous, your next main character moment awaits. Are you guys ready for this? This is such a heavy dress. Okay, hang on. I'm gonna have to be really careful with this. Are you guys seeing this? Oh my, this is such a heavy dress. Like, this is chainmail. This is insane. Like, look at that. Oh, I feel like I'm just holding like pure gold right now. I am going to feel so rich and lavish in this. Are you kidding me? The inside is like a pink mesh material, so hopefully this isn't entirely see-through. I don't think it will be with all of the gold that's on it. Literally gonna be like Smaug from The Hobbit when he's like sleeping underneath all that gold. That's literally gonna be me. By the way, you guys, I do have a 20% off discount code to share with you guys. It will be listed right here and also in the description. So please make sure to utilize it because, oh my god, I'm already obsessed. I haven't even opened the second package yet, but I'm already obsessed. So this is the Cinzia halter neck diamond chain mesh mini dress in hot pink. So Mew Mews claims that this is the perfect addition to your wardrobe for a night out for a special occasion. Hello, I can see that. That look. Okay, I have a wedding coming up in September and I no longer need to go wedding gown shopping. Not to say I'm necessarily gonna wear that one to a wedding, but there's some other ones in here that may be a bit more appropriate. In this one, I got a little thank you card. That's really cute. And I see a bit of feather poking out there. Do you guys see that? I've never had any kind of clothing that incorporates feathers on it. You guys can't see this properly, but like, this is a full split. This is a full thigh-high split right here. This is a gown. This is giving Jessica Rabbit. Are you joking? Look how stunning, you guys. Okay, so I noticed there's tags on this that tells us a little bit more about the brand. So, founded in 2021, wow, that's recent. Mew Mews is a woman fashion and lifestyle brand committed to helping women of all shades and shapes feel confident and sexy. We are passionate about designing and bringing you not only gorgeous dresses, but also unforgettable experiences when you have the dresses on. Cute. Love that. So you guys, this one here is the Cole sleeveless feather sequin dress in wine. And they claim that it's perfect for showing off your style and creating a sophisticated chic look. I can't wait to try this on, you guys. All of these dresses, by the way, are in a size small. I am 5'6". Yeah, if that's any like help to you guys at all. And the last dress here, let's have a look. Oh, I think this could be the wedding dress. Is it bad to wear black to a wedding? I don't know. Fun fact, I've never actually been to a wedding, so this is gonna be fun. This is so long. This is like crazy sophistication right here. Like, oh my god. This is like gothic fantasy realness. I like the little roses. and the frills are these pieces are so unique. That's why I've been so excited to open this order, because like I love things that I don't have or I never get the opportunity to like try on for myself. So this is the Raoul strapless lace whatever that word is, maxi dress in black, and they claim that the strapless design adds a touch of sophistication. And yes bitch, I cannot wait to show off my collarbones. So yeah, I'm gonna get changed into this real quick and probably die in the process because of how gagged I am. This is so cool. I don't think you guys are ready for this. What do you mean? What do you actually mean? Look at the absolute artistry that is on my body right now. This is so cute. Like, this is genuinely insane. Like, the color detail of the chains here. I will say, however, one chain did come broken. Getting it on, I think I broke another chain. So just a disclaimer, if you guys are going to be purchasing this dress, please be careful because it is very fragile. But I mean, it's not the end of the world because like, I still have like all of this to work with, you know what I mean? I will say you guys, this is definitely see-through. I would advise that you get some undergarments for this. For example, I have my Boombas on currently, which are covering everything, and then I've got my Skims back here. This detailing is absolutely to die for. I am just gagged by this entirely. Genuinely gobsmacked. I don't know what to say. But what do you guys think? Do you love it? I love it. The sparkles are next level. They show up really nicely in the lighting. This is like the perfect party dress. Like, okay, so obviously there was some casualties, but could probably turn these into some really cute matching earrings. And like they said, this is like the perfect extravagant fit to like wear on a night out. I just feel so pretty. I'm currently rewatching Game of Thrones before I watch House of Dragon with my boyfriend because he hasn't seen it yet. And I feel like a sexy warrior princess in this. So, hell yeah. Okay, the next dress that I want to try on is this Jessica Rabbit-esque moment right here. Oh my gosh. I don't even know how to contain my excitement. Look at this. Look at, I can't even talk. So let's go try out this one right here. Should I name these dresses myself? I feel like this is a Cleopatra. We're gonna name this one Cleopatra or Cleo. We're gonna name it Cleo. We're gonna name this one Jessica. And we're gonna name this one, I feel like this is a Mary. You know that one scene in Surf's Up?
This is my lady Amy, little Susie, Brianna. You know why we call her Brianna, right?
Yeah, that's about to be me with these dresses. Okay, you guys, look at... The top is enough. The top is enough just to be like, oh my god, but you guys haven't seen the feather detail yet. The birds are going crazy outside, I don't know why. But can we just talk about like how pretty this red is? And the fact that it's sequins, it looks like, oh my god, it's almost unreal like how this looks. The back is so incredibly elegant as well. Like, look at the low back there. And with these straps, I feel extremely like tucked in and like I'm not gonna flop out anywhere, which is amazing. I need that security. You guys, the bottoms are just crazy. Hang on, let me show you. I need you guys to notice how crazy this is. Oh my gosh. Look at this split. This high ass split is insane. There's a little split here, which I don't think is very cash money, but like there's a hole. That's not epic. We move. But yeah, this split is absolutely insane. But like you cannot tell me this isn't stunning. Like this is extremely beautiful. I think this is my favorite dress. Just look at it. It's so flattering. I have never felt this glamorous in my life. Like, I love this dress. I just need to figure out where I can wear it and where's the appropriate place, you know? Maybe like a cocktail party or who knows, but this is definitely a showstopper. I think this will get a lot of people's attention wearing this. But I literally cannot get over how beautiful this ruby red is. It's almost like a garnet red. It's so deep and so sensual. I love. And the feathers are just insane. Only thing is it does have that hole right here, which, I mean, if you have looked at the prices of these dresses, you guys, I wouldn't be happy if I paid for this and received it in bad condition, you know what I mean? I mean, it's not the end of the world. It's not like a totally obvious flaw, but it's still, you know, for the price, not acceptable in my opinion. But like, this dress is extremely stunning. It's so stunning, like it fits perfectly. Like it cinches me in, and this like high cut is kind of everything, but at the same time it's very like, it's scary to me. So who knows, maybe it's something I could get used to. Maybe it's like something for date night, you know? But regardless, I love the way I look in this. I feel freaking stunning. Okay, so next we have Mary. I named her that. I cannot wait to try this on because this, how could this go wrong in any way? You know what I mean? First of all, it's black, so we already know it's gonna be a slay. And I think this one does actually have splits in it, but I don't know if they're this high, you know? So I guess we're just gonna have to figure that out. I think this one's my favorite. Oh my God, look at the top. Look at the top, please. A moment for the top. This is so beautiful. It's like a built-in like corset type vibe. It's got boning in it. And it doesn't have a lot of padding, which is fine. Here's the back, very simple, very cute, very flattering. But let's see the rest of the dress because like, this is like, oh my God. You guys, look how freaking cute this is. It's so long. I feel like I can frolic in this dress. Like, I love the double split on both sides. I feel like that's a really cool, elegant feature. Obviously the frills are everything, and like the little roses are so cute. And I love this satin material because it is so soft. This is beautiful. I feel like a princess. This is so pretty, you guys. Just look at the detailing. It's so pretty. I feel like an evil enchantress or something. And I'm not mad about it. So again, like it has like a pretty like kind of lace detailing on the corset, which I love. Again, like with the roses, absolutely obsessed with those. I just can't fault this one. This one's perfect. From the frills to the roses to the corset to the satin. I don't know. But I feel stunning in this, and yes, I feel like a main character. So I'm gonna give my final thoughts because there's a bit to unpack here. So final thoughts. The first dress I love. I do, however, wish it wasn't see-through because that's just not really my vibe. I love the color, I love the chain. However, the chain did kind of fall off a little bit. Again, for the price you're paying, I don't think this should be happening whatsoever. But at the same time, I understand it is hard to like add detailing to clothing items and like throughout the wear, things not to get damaged, you know what I mean? And again, like the see-through thing for me, like I can definitely just wear stuff underneath it. That's totally fine with me. Second dress, absolutely stunning. I'm obsessed with the color, the feathers. Never had anything with feathers on before. Love the feathers. I'm a big fan of the feathers. The sequins were beautiful. They added a lovely like kind of reflective, obviously reflective effect, which was super flattering, especially to the curves because it kind of just like outlined all the curves. Stunning, absolutely stunning dress. However, this again, the split is just so crazy. I feel like in the appropriate setting, I would be able to wear it. However, I feel like it is a bit like it's a lot for the eye. It's definitely a jaw dropper, but like that's a good thing, right? So slay, I guess. And then this dress here has to be my favorite. Has to be the one that I would literally wear out to any kind of formal affair. The color's beautiful. The detailing is just insane, and I love the two splits. Like, yeah, the splits are high, but you don't really notice them unless you're like, you know, fully doing a crazy like circus act, I guess. Like, I can walk comfortably in this and not, you know, have the fear of flashing anyone my coochie, so that's always a bonus. The brand as a whole, I love their stuff. I absolutely love their dresses. The quality is good, but also needs to be refined because with that second dress, there was a hole in it. And if you're going to be charging a lot of money for these dresses, you need to make sure that the quality is good, you know? So Mew Mews, I love you. But please maybe refine that a little bit. But yeah, beautiful dresses, beautiful styling, beautiful like purpose as well. Like I love all like the positive affirmations on the packaging and stuff. I think that's really, really cute and important as a brand to stand out and, you know, really boost someone's confidence. Like the main character moment thing, 100% valid. I feel like a main character wearing these dresses. I really do. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I really, really, really enjoyed making this video. I love doing hauls that aren't like my usual, like all of the activewear hauls. Like they're fun, but doing hauls like this just fills my soul in another way. Especially because these are all like flowy gown dresses. That feeds my girly soul, okay? I have been playing a lot of Dress to Impress on Roblox lately. This feels very on brand. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. All items will be listed in the description as always, as well as the 20% off discount code. So please girl, go and get yourself, go treat yourself, cause you know what would look so good with this? I just had an epiphany. One of those like arm bangles, those arm cuffs. Yep. That would look banging. But yeah, I love you guys so, so much. I hope you have a wonderful week and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys. Mwah.